Friends, here you are again with Ruchi Jain. Welcome to my channel Learn German the Easy Way. Here is my new video on 50 important abbreviations in German. Here on the screen you can see few short forms. ZB, that stands for zum Beispiel. USW, that stands for und so weiter, and that CA, that is for circa. So these are few short forms here we use quite frequently in German. So I have very carefully selected these short forms or these abbreviations which are quite commonly used in German language. So I hope you are ready to learn more. Let's go ahead. Okay, so let's start. Here on the screen you can see this word, the ABKÜRZUNGEN, which means abbreviations. So let's start with the first one, ZB, which means zum Beispiel. English equivalent, for example or for instance. Next one is USW. Long form is und so weiter. In English, etc. or etc. Next one is CA. Long form is circa. English equivalent is approximately. Approximately. DH. Das heißt. In English, that is, i.e., that is how we write it, or actually it is borrowed from other language, which is said from where we have taken that IE, which means it is. That is how we pronounce it. So, das heißt, daher, circa, that is, CA, und so weiter, that is, USW, zum Beispiel, ZB. So, these are few short forms, very frequently used. Let's go ahead. Next one is AUR. It stands for euro. English equivalent is euro. Next one is TAL. It stands for telephone. English equivalent is also telephone, but the spelling is slightly different. In German word we use only F, while in English we use PH. Telephone. Next one is PLZ, which stands for Postleitzhal. Postleitzhal, which is in English zip code or postal code. Next one here is BZW, which stands for beziehungsweise. Beziehungsweise. In English, respectively. Next one here is ADR. Very easy to understand. Adresse. German word is Adresse. In English, address. Next one here is ABT, which stands for Abteilung. Abteilung, that is department in English. Department in English. Now the next one is ABS, which stands for Absender. English equivalent is sender, the person who sends the email or letter. Usually you find that word there. Next one is BSPW. That means beispielsweise. in English, example given, and in English also we write it in short form, e.g. Next one is a-v-t-l, eventual. English one is perhaps, possible. Next one is v-a, which stands for alim, for alim. In English, above all or first of all. The next one is lt, which stands for loud. It's not the adjective loud. It means in English according to or as per. Here we are having our next list. Here on the screen you can see SU, which stands for sehr unten. Sehr unten. In English, see below. Next one is UA, which stands for und andere, oder und anderes, depending on the noun which is coming afterwards. Among others. Next one is also UA, but it has different long form. Unter anderen, oder unter anderem, depending on the context or the case. Maybe accusative anderen und dative anderem. In English, again, the meaning is same, among others. Next one is UAM, which stands for und andere, oder und anderes, mehr, and many more. So these are the few abbreviations which are quite confusing. Next one is FF, which stands for folgende Seite oder Seiten, in English, following page or following pages. SO, siehe oben, English equivalent, see above. In the last page we have seen SU, which stands for siehe unten, see below. So this is just opposite of that. The next one is OA or A. Oder ähnlich, oder ähnlicher, oder ähnliches. So all these three meanings come from these short forms. In English, we call it or, similar, or the like. Next one here in the list is EDR, which stands for in their regale, which means as a rule, as a rule. I hope these abbreviations are clear to you. While reading a text many times you find these words and you may not understand the meanings. So by using these explanations, it will be easier for you to understand the text. Next one is GGF, gegebenenfalls, if applicable, GGF. Next one is unter Umständen, unter Umständen, in certain circumstances, in certain circumstances, U. Next one is ZT, zum Teil, in part or partly, in English, zum Teil. Next one is set, one small, one capital, or set, both are small. So these are the long forms, Zurzeit or Zurzeit, Zurzeit or Zurzeit. Meanings are for now, at the moment, or currently. For now, or at the moment, or currently. That is how we will take the meanings. I hope this one is also clear to you. Next one is MFG, which stands for Mitfreundlichen Grüßen. English equivalent for that is kind regards or yours sincerely, your faithfully. So this expression we usually use in formal letters or formal emails. Mitfreundlichen Grüßen, in short MFG. The next one is LG, Liebe Grüße, best regards or lovely regards. Usually with friends or loved ones or relatives we use Liebe Grüße. Next one is OG, which stands for oben genannt, aforementioned or above named. Next one here is Bejot, Bejot, that is Baujahr, Baujahr. English equivalent for this is year of construction or year of manufacture. Now the next one is BZGL, which stands for bezüglich, in English regarding. Next one is BW, which stands for bitte wenden, please turn, or many places in English books or somewhere you have seen this PTO, which means please turn over. Next one is BATR, which stands for betreff, subject in English. In letters or emails, quite often you will see this word. BAS stands for besonders, specially in English. Next one is ARH, which stands for Am Rhein, on the Rhine. That's the name of the river. Next one is AM, Main, on the river Main. Now the next one is ABK, Abkürzung. This is the shortcut of Abkürzung. In English, we call it shortcut or abbreviation. Next one is ABF, which stands for Abfahrt, and the English equivalent for this word is departure. The next one is ANK, which stands for Ankunft, arrival. So these two words quite frequently or quite often you will hear at the platform, at the railway station or at the airport. Next one is ANH, which stands for Anhang, attachment. When you attach some files along with your emails, then this word is being used. Next one is Bay, which stands for by. And there are different meanings at different places for this word because it's a preposition. It depends on the context where we are using this word. So few meanings I have given here: by, at, with, near, among. These are the few meanings of this preposition by. Next one is ka, te, o, which stands for konto, konto, which means bank account. Now, very frequently, very often, we see these weekdays in short forms. Usually, nobody writes them in full form. So, we should also know how to say the short forms of these weekdays, Wochentage, die Wochentage. M-O, that stands for Montag, Monday. D-E stands for Dienstag, Tuesday. M-E, that stands for Mittwoch, Wednesday. D-O, that stands for Donnerstag, Thursday. F-R, that stands for Freitag, Friday. S-A, Samstag, Saturday. S-O, that stands for Sonntag, Sunday. So that is how these are the short form of weekdays we use. Usually in a doctor's clinic, whenever you are in a doctor's clinic, you can check it out, the timings of the clinic. So there you will find these short forms quite frequently. I hope this one is very clear to you. Thank you very much for watching my video till end. Danke sehr. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and also along with the enjoyment you have learned lots of new abbreviations. These are very helpful in understanding a text, complicated text. So before leaving you, I want to ask you if you have subscribed my channel yet or not. If not, then please do consider to subscribe it, and don't forget to ring the bell for getting further notifications. Do share it with your friends. Okay then, tschüss, auf Wiedersehen, see you next time. Once again, thank you very much.